Hi mga beshi ko! Welcome back to my channel! I am Gabe Nicholson de Guinto, and today we are gonna learn about the 4 types of sequences in mathematics. Tara na!
Good day everyone! Today I'm gonna tackle about lesson 1, the arithmetic sequence. So what is arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence is also known as arithmetic progression or sequence of numbers such that the difference of any succeeding term to its preceding term remains constant throughout the sequences. Take a look at this pattern: 4, 11, 18, and 25. As you can see, they have common number, which you're going to add that number, then you will get the next term. But in this case, we can get the fixed number by subtracting the previous term to the preceding term. Here's the formula to solve an arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, where a sub n is denoted as the last term, a sub 1 is the first term, n is also the last term or the number of terms or the nth term, and finally, d is the common difference. What is the 11th term? We're still gonna use the given 4, 11, 18, and 25. To solve, we have to find first the last term of the arithmetic sequence, and that is 11. Now, let's substitute the formula. Our first term is 4 plus our n is 11 minus 1, and lastly, our common difference is 7. First, we're gonna subtract 11 minus 1, which is 10. Then we're gonna multiply it to 7, which is 70. And lastly, bring down 4 and add it to 70, and the final product is 74. So, our a sub 11 is 74.
The next is geometric sequence, or what we call geometric progression, in which each term after the first is generated by multiplying the preceding terms by a constant non-zero number. The geometric sequence rule is a sub n equals a sub 1 times r times n minus 1, where a sub n is any term in the sequence, a sub 1 is the first term, r is the common ratio, and n is the position of the term. If our given is negative 6, positive 24, and negative 96, divide negative 96 to negative 24, then we'll get our common ratio. For our formula will be a sub n equals negative 6 times 4n minus 1. To find the 10th term, get the first term and the common ratio, which is negative 6 and positive 4. Using the formula of geometric sequence, a sub 10 equals negative 6 times 4, 10 minus 1. Subtract 10 from 1 and multiply 4 to itself 9 times, which is our answer will be 262, 144. Then multiply it by 6, which is our first term. Then our third term is 1, 572, 864.
Next we have here is the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is the series of numbers in which the next number is found by adding up two numbers before it. Fibonacci sequence can also be written as a rule. First, the terms are numbered 0 onwards like this. N equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And for x sub n, we have 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and 55. But first, what does x sub n mean? X sub n is the term number. The rule for Fibonacci sequence is x sub n equals x sub n minus 1 plus x sub n minus 2. X sub n minus 1 is the term after x sub n minus 2 or n minus 1. X sub n minus 2 is the term before that or n minus 2.
For example, if our n is 9, our rule x sub n equals x sub n minus 1 plus x sub n minus 2. We substitute the n in the formula and replace it with the given n, which is 9. Then, we subtract 9 minus 1 first and 9 minus 2. After that, based on the given term, we should find what number is in the place of x sub 8 and x sub 7, which is 21 and 13. And our ninth term is 34.
And lastly, here we have harmonic sequence. Harmonic sequence is also called harmonic progression. It is formed by taking the reciprocals of every term in an arithmetic sequence. Like we have here, 7, 11, 15, to 1 over 7, 1 over 11, and 1 over 15. Its formula is h sub n equals 1 over a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. But we can also use the arithmetic formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d.
For example, if our given is 3 over 8, 3 over 11, 3 over 14, and 3 over 17, and our n is 10, first, identify the first term, which is 3 over 8, and the difference. To get the difference, get the reciprocal of the last two terms, then subtract. Then divide. Our common difference is 1. And using the arithmetic formula, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, then substitute. If you're wondering why, you should get the reciprocal of the first term if it is in fraction. Subtract 10 minus 1, then multiply 9 to 1, then add 8 over 3 plus 9 over 1 by getting its LCD, which is 3, then divide it by 3 equals 1. Then multiply 1 to 8, and the same thing here. Divide 3 by 1, which is 3, then multiply by 9, then we get 8 and 27 as our numerator, then add 8 and 27, which is equals to 35, and our denominator 3. Then get its reciprocal, then our h sub n is 3 over 35.